here with the Gardens of Castle Rock and Schweitzer's Nursery and Landscaping, doing a little landscaper know-how here. Behind us, yes, gardens, S is plural, Gardens of Castle Rock. We're working on a new wildflower pollinator garden here. So currently where we're at is we put some fill in here last year. We graded it out. We let the weeds grow up this year just to get all those seeds started. We used a glyphosate and killed them all off about 3 weeks ago or 2 weeks ago. So they're all dead, and now we're going to burn that off to get it bare ground so we can do our wildflower planting. It's August here in Minnesota, so perfect time to get the seed in the ground, but first we're gonna get it ready. Controlled burns. Always be careful and always get the proper authority to do that. So we have secured a burning permit from our local fire department. We have contacted the safety center to let them know that we're burning today, so everybody's aware that there's going to be some smoke here. Plus at the gardens here we have all kinds of irrigation everywhere, so we have hoses all lined up just in case anything goes faster than we want. And once we're done, we're going to wet it all down. Plus, probably most importantly, we've picked a perfect day to burn. It is humid, it's overcast, and it's supposed to rain in an hour or two. So we're gonna get it burned. Hopefully it'll rain. We'll make sure it's all extinguished, and then we'll get some seed planted shortly. So let's burn things. The big blazing fire that I was hoping for. Heavy dew this morning. The grass was just a titch wetter than I was anticipating, but we're still cutting it now, burning it, and then we'll come back with a torch and hit the whole ground and kill off all those weed seeds. And we will, a little bit longer than planned, but we will be ready for our seeding on Wednesday.
Yeah, Glenn here with the Gardens of Castle Rock, Schweitzer's Nursery. Hey, forgot to record a trailer out in the field when I was doing this work, so doing a little voiceover here at the end of this video, which is about clearing the vegetation, burning it off. The next video is going to be about getting the soil ready, the seed prep, and actually seeding the wildflower, prairie pollinator garden, whatever you want to call it, but that's what it's going to be. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel, hit the little bell, ding! You'll get that notification when the next video, when we put the seed in the ground, shows up. Like, comment, share, do all that fun stuff. Really do appreciate you watching the video. See you next time. Bye-bye.